Are you looking for a personal loan? Do you need some liquidity? You want some cash? Hello everyone, this is Buppi and I welcome you all on my channel Buppi Talks Money. Today's topic is personal loan. How to get a personal loan. I'll give you all mandatory and important information about personal loan. Let's start today's topic. Personal loan is an unsecured term loan which can be utilized for personal type of expenses like for a marriage, you want to travel, you have to make some payment for medical bills, or you want to spend money on education. So any kind of personal expenses, personal loan is the better choice to take. Major players in personal loans when we talk about banks, these are Axis Bank, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Citibank, and there are few other banks are also active in personal loan product. When you talk about NBFCs, there are few NBFCs which are really aggressive in personal loan like Tata Financial Services, Bajaj Finserv, India Bulls, and there are many other NBFCs also. Let's understand details of personal loans. What are the main features of a personal loan? This loan can be utilized in expenses personal in nature like wedding, travel, home renovation, used car purchase, medical bills, education funding, etc. There is no limitation like home loan you can use for home only, car loan you can buy car only, an education loan you can utilize money in education funding only. Here you have flexibility to use personal loan money as per your requirement. A very easy and quick process. It is an unsecured loan. Mortgage of property or any other collateral is not required. Loan amount starts from 50,000 and goes up to 25 lakhs depending upon policy of a concerned bank or NBFC. Quick decision and disbursement. It may take 1 minute to 4 days time depending upon mode of application. Only one applicant is mandatory. One person can take personal loan. It is not like other loans, home loan and education loan where co-applicants are mandatory. So here one single person can take personal loan. No documentation to easy documentation. It depends on the mode of application. If you already have one pre-approved personal loan offer, then you don't need any documentation for getting a personal loan. In normal mode also you need to provide basic documents. These are the main features of a personal loan. Now let's see what are the limitations of a personal loan. It is an expensive offer. Rate of interest starts from 10.5% and goes up to 22% also. Processing fee is also on higher side. It starts from 1% and it goes up to 4%. It is an expensive option for sure, but you get it so quickly, so it helps you a lot. A smaller tenure, normally banks and NBFCs they give tenure up to 5 years only, which means you need to pay higher amount of EMI on monthly basis. If you can bear the higher amount of EMI on monthly basis, it is a good option for you. No deviation on CIBIL at all. Even one delay payment in last 6 months of your current EMIs or credit card payment can lead your application to a rejection. So you need to take care of your repayment track. It should be always paid on time and clean and clear. If you are employed in negative list of business, then chances of getting personal loan is quite less. Your residence should not be in negative area for credit. There are many colonies which are kept in the negative list of banks and NBFCs depending upon their history, their experience, where they must have given loan in that areas and they did not recover it. So few areas are mentioned in negative list. You should not be a resident of the negative area. Who is eligible for a personal loan? Let's see this into details. You should be one Indian citizen. Age should be about 22 years and maximum level it can be 55 years at the time of application of a loan. Idea for keeping this 55 years of maximum ages that when loan will be finished, your age should not be above 60 years. Net income about 25,000 per month for metro cities and 15,000 per month for other rural areas. Lenders prefer salaried profile or customer who already have good relationship with bank or the NBFC company. CIBIL score should be above 700. Guys, always take care of your CIBIL. Keep your repayment track clean on time so that your CIBIL should be always above 700 for taking any type of loan. Let's discuss how to go for a personal loan. Taking a personal loan is very easy these days. These are 5 major ways to take a personal loan. Number 1, pre-approved offers. If you check your bank account, you must be having one pre-approved offer for a personal loan. Just log in into your net banking, search for the pre-approved loan. If it is there, read all the details and give your consent, submit it, and in few seconds you will get your personal loan in your bank account. It is the fastest and easiest way to get a personal loan. For this, you need to maintain one healthy banking and healthy repayment of current loans. If you keep that, then bank will give you pre-approved personal loan offers and you can take the benefits. Second option is normal application. You can just visit the website of the concerned bank or NBFC. You can submit your digital application, search the personal loan segment, apply for a loan, fill up the application form, submit all the documents, upload all the documents rather, and then you can get your loan from 1 hour to 4 days depending upon the loan agreement process of the lender. Third one is the old school method of taking a loan. You can visit nearest branch of any bank or NBFC with all required documents. You meet loan officer there, you provide all the documents, fill up the application form, you show original KYC documents also, and then loan officer start the process of personal loan, and then you can take this loan within a week's time maximum. Apply with fintech online platforms. There are many online fintech companies which are playing role of a mediator between a bank, NBFC or a customer, but because they are using high-end technologies and they are making this process so quick, so you can simply download their app and apply through that app, fill up the application form, upload the documents, and very quickly you get your personal loan. The last option is the oldest way of getting a loan is through DSA channel. You can submit all your documents with any DSA of bank or NBFC. He will submit your file with the bank and process will start. It may take 5 to 7 days to get you loan through this method. These are the 5 methods of taking a personal loan. It is so easy and quick these days to take a personal loan. Let's understand what are the documents required for a personal loan. Here you can see the list of documents for salaried people and list of documents for self-employed people. Normally list of documents for every loan is same. There is little variation only. In personal loan you require your KYC document in which proof of identity, address proof, date of birth proof, signature proof, etc. comes, and then it comes for your financial documents. For salaried it is salary slip, 3 months bank statement where your salary is getting credited on monthly basis, last 1 year form 16 or income tax return. In case of self-employed, your last 2 to 3 years income tax return with with balance sheet, profit and loss account, audited financials, etc. Business bank statement of the business banking. These are the documents. Please mind it, when you start process of personal loan you should have leaves of checks available with you. 5 to 10 checks will be required to give at the time of loan agreement signing. So you should have checkbook available with you. If you don't have, then before you start personal loan process you should apply for a checkbook also.
What are the do's and don'ts for a personal loan? give first preference to private banks and second to NBFC. Guys, if your case is neat and clean, if your income is sufficient, if your company is A or B category, if your CIBIL score is above 700, then go for the private bank. PSU banks are not so aggressive for personal loan, so you should go for private bank. If there is any deviation in the information, for example, your your company falls into C or D category of the bank or NBFC, or there were few delays payments in your repayment in the history, then you should apply with one NBFC, because in this case perhaps private bank either will not be able to give you loan, or they will offer you very small amount of loan which perhaps will not solve your purpose. So you should try for NBFC if you have any issue with your CIBIL or company category of your company. First check personal loan option with your bank only. If you have salary account with any bank, first see pre-approved option with that bank. If you have any business banking with any bank, first ask personal loan from the bank where you already have good relationship. They have seen your banking behavior, so it will be easy for them to take positive decision for your personal loan file. So first try with your own bank. If you don't get it, if you are not satisfied with terms and conditions, then try any other banks for personal loans. Try online process only. This is a difficult time of corona pandemic. In this difficult time, don't go out and risk your life. Everything is possible digitally these days, so just try online process. Don't go for physical submission of documents at all. Don't apply with many banks. Choose one or two and apply with them only. Do your due diligence and research, finalize one or two option, and then apply for personal loan with these one or two option only, because if you apply with so many options, so many banks or NBFCs, every lender, when lender runs your CIBIL score reduces. So every application means loss of 5 credit points and CIBIL score. So don't increase number of files, apply with one or two bank or NBFC only and take your loan. If your company in C or D category, then, or you are a self-employed, then NBFC can give you loan easily. It will be expensive, but you will get loan. Don't waste your time running behind banks. You go to NBFC and you will get a loan. Try to eliminate mediators and apply directly with bank or NBFC for hassle-free process. Don't spend this money in lottery, gambling or share market. It will be a breach of agreement. When you give your consent for personal loan or you sign a loan agreement, in small words it is written that you cannot use this money for gambling or in share market or lottery. If you do so, you are breaching the contract, which is not good for anyone. Take minimum possible amount because it consumes your financial eligibility for future, because tenure of personal loan is small with maximum 5 years, so EMI is higher. It reduces your eligibility in near future. If you go for a bigger loan like home loan or LAP, then because of this personal loan, your financial eligibility can be hampered. So take whatever minimum possible amount is there for you, take the minimum one only.
How to apply for a personal loan? It is very simple process to apply for a personal loan. You just check your net banking. If you have pre-approved offer, just click on this, read terms and condition and submit and give your consent. You will get your money in few seconds in your bank account. If you don't have any pre-approved offer, just log in, visit the website of the bank, search the personal loan segment, apply online, fill application form, upload your documents, and that's it. Lender will assess your file and update you on the decision very quickly. It can take few hours to 5 to 7 days maximum, and you will get your personal loan. I'm giving link of major banks and NBFC's website in the description of this video. Kindly use this for your convenience. You need to just click the link and you will reach the right page of the bank, and you can apply for personal loan and you can get it so easily. Thank you friends for watching this video. Keep watching my channel and keep supporting. See you soon with the new financial topic. Till then, bye bye. Take care of yourself and your family in this difficult time of COVID-19 pandemic.